Hey, it's Ronnie Palmer here. Big news. My mentors are ready to build your entire internet marketing business, steering you towards 10,000 monthly. For the full scoop, click that crucial first link in the description below this video. Now, about the product awaiting at the second link. Bonus 1. Uncover my secret to 250,000 subscribers, plus get the lowdown on a wallet-friendly autoresponder setup. Bonus 2, snag my 2023 free traffic method as a complimentary extra. Bonus 3, I spill the beans on how to dominate YouTube rankings for a flood of traffic. Bonus 4, enjoy a sweet 100% commission on my best-selling course. Feeling the itch for a done-for-your business journey? That's where the first link comes in. And if you're eyeing the product I'm reviewing, hit up that second link. Let's dive deep.
You may not be able to install a car windshield on your own, but some people can because they have the right tools. The same goes for creating a compelling presentation. You can create it slide by slide or pay someone else to do it. But imagine if you could save time with a free tool called Canva. Introducing Canva Presentation. With Canva Presentation, you can create professional presentations in minutes. We offer engaging presentation packages that help you craft a presentation like a pro. Here's how easy it is to use Canva Presentation. Click the link for the template you've chosen. Save it to your Canva account and edit as needed. Save as MP4, and your video presentation is ready. But that's not all. Canva also allows you to create accurate charts and diagrams for your presentations. Everything you need is included in our module package. Why choose Canva Presentation? Ease and speed. No more spending hours creating engaging presentations. Professional and engaging, our templates are designed to make your content easy to understand and visually appealing. Free, this tool is available for free, saving you money without compromising on quality. The investment you need is only $17 for this product. It's like paying just $1 per template, which is an incredible deal. But don't worry, we have a special coupon code at the bottom of the sales page to get a $5 discount during the launch period. Don't miss this golden opportunity. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link to our product, choose an exciting